Recently, one of my friends from South Korea reached out with me to introduce an embedded development kit named Gorilla Cell Development Kit. So I just received this package from South Korea. So I will unbox it. Be with me to see what's inside. So I will open it. I will first remove the document. Then I will open the box. Oh, exciting. What's inside? Ooh, cool. What's this? Yay! It contains a Gorilla Cell. Gorilla Cell. Everything is possible. It has 2 boxes. Okay, 2 boxes. I will remove this one. So here it is. So let's see this first. Ooh, cool. So the box contains a shield. This is Arduino Uno. An OLED display. 16:2 LCD. Buzzer. Potentiometer. Peer sensor. Some LED, LDR, RGB, joystick. Oh, this is cool. Joystick. Some buttons. What's this? Fan motor. Okay. Traffic light LED with big LEDs. Nice. 4-digit 7 segment vibration motor. So let's set this one aside. It has a laser also, which is basically can be controlled using a digital output by supplying a high or low. Let's open the last one. It's heavier. Ooh. So this should be an RGB display, 8x8. NeoPixel. Dot matrix. What's this? This is the weighing scale or weight sensor. RF 433, RF 433 megahertz receiver and transmitter. Okay. It has this shield, another shield, joystick, buttons, a knob, potentiometer, 4-digit 7 segment, a small buzzer, DHT11. This could be an LED or RGB display, some LEDs. Nice. This will be Arduino Uno shield. Okay. So we already have 2 shields. touch sensor. What's this? Barometric altitude sensor. A speaker. So this is for the MP3 player. Yeah. KT403A MP3 player. So this is a lot of kits for embedded development. This is a step motor driver. Okay. This is what? Water temperature sensor. Gorilla Cell RF433. This is the partner of the RF433 megahertz. OLED display 1.3. ESP12E Wi-Fi module. What else? Motor driver L293D. This is a lot. Pulse sensor. IR receiver. And there should be an IR. Where's that? Slider switch. Slider switch. So this is the Gorilla Cell ESP shield. ESP32 shield. Nice. This is cool. So it has an onboard voltage regulator and with a lot of GPIOs. So we will see later on. Yeah, touch sensor. There is a GPS module. This should be a pine dust sensor. What's this? Color sensor. Distance sensor. So this is TOF. Time of flight. Yeah. Time of flight. Oh, this is cool. A small stepper motor. Infinite rotation sensor. Maybe this one is a potentiometer also, but continuous rotation. So this is the servo motor, power supply. How many volts? Yeah, auto volts 100 to 240. And a lot of other modules. This one is HC06 Bluetooth module. There is also a BLE Bluetooth module. What else? Yeah. It also comes with 10 series of MQ gas sensor. So from MQ2 up to MQ9 and MQ135. I think 9. Yeah, 9 pieces of this. The series of MQ gas sensor. What's this? Electromagnet. Nice. A motor, gear motor. Okay. MTU gas sensor, rotary encoder. Yeah, it's a lot. Switch. So let's set this aside. Yeah. Step motor. So this one should be for this. This is a sensor KT403 with the speaker and the driver. So this another. This is another one. Oh, there's also another in the bottom. Yeah, it has connectors, jumper wires. What's this? HC-SR04. Ultrasonic sensor. Some USB. Yeah, another shield. Arduino Uno shield. I think I need to use another ESP32. My ESP32 to test this. So I will use my ESP32. So let's see if it will fit in the Gorilla Cell, ESP32 Gorilla Cell. Okay, fits nicely. So with these modules or kits, I'm planning to create MicroPython video tutorials using these kits or modules or cells. This development kit is designed to introduce electronics to young students, and it aims to minimize the use of breadboard, which can be sometimes frustrating, especially for the beginners. On its looks, it's quiet, beautiful, and cute. It contains 80 pieces of Gorilla cells, which is basically consists of input and output devices. If you have any question regarding this video, please write your question in the comment box provided. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and share this to your friends. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified when a fresh video like this is uploaded. You might also like to visit my blog post at tech2tinker.blogspot.com for more details such as circuit diagram and source code. Thank you and have a good days ahead. God bless and see you on more videos to come using MicroPython language. See you. Bye.